Hi everyone, this is RJ Stansberry with another quick screencast on navigating the BSA online training system. In this short screencast, I wanted to walk you through the process whereby you add training to a particular individual's BSA account. So this often happens when leaders will take courses as opposed to the online training. They'll take courses, and sometimes that gets added in quickly to their account. Other times it takes a little while. But particularly during rechartering process in the fall, this is a great tool to have in your toolbox. If there's a particular leader or unit that needs to have some attention in this area and they need to have some training added to their respective accounts, a unit leader, a Key 3 leader at the unit level, and also at the district level, a district training chair, anyone who has access to this stuff should be able to get in and be able to add training to an individual's record. This could be a really, really helpful thing. So it's a pretty simple thing to do. You just need to navigate to the my.scouting.org website. I always say when it comes to navigating this site, please make sure that if you've forgotten your password for this site, do not make a new account. One of the problems that we often face is as leaders get in here and make several accounts which then later have to be merged. If you're not sure of your password, just do a password reset and make sure you get into your original account. But once you get into that system, it's pretty simple. You go to your menu here, and then you scroll down to the training manager in either your unit or in your district. You click on the training manager, and you'll get a screen that looks something like this. Now up here in the center, you'll see a little box, a little folder with a plus sign on it, and this will be indicate a place where you can add training. So you click on that box. Now once you get into this page, you need to first start out picking which area of scouting is being addressed here. So Cub Scouting or Boy Scouting, venturing, etc. Let's say we have this person and they've taken a troop committee challenge or committee training at the troop level. So we'd go in here and we'd select Boy Scouting. We'd go over to the middle tab and we'd select the course. And so we'd scroll down here for, this is all the stuff that you could take as a Boy Scout leader. So I'm going to select here the Troop Committee Challenge Classroom. And then you can go over here and you can select the date on which this course was taken. You can go in here and plug a date. And as soon as you do that, you'll be taken over to this other screen that asks you to find the name of the individual that needs to be added. Now, you can do this with their name, but I recommend that you use their BSA ID number. So if you're a unit leader, you would have access to the rechartering records and could get the BSA number if the individual doesn't know it, him or herself. But I do recommend that you plug in the BSA number. So I'm going to do that here with a leader that I know needs to be added. And just plug that in. And then when you do the search, hopefully the name will show up. Here it is. And then you can click on this person's name, and it immediately gets added, gets populated to this other field on the other pane. You can hit the submit button, and that training will be added to that individual's BSA account, and they should be good to go. So take advantage of this. It's a great thing to do. The only thing you can't do is add your own training, but as long as you're adding the training of others, this is something that is a really useful tool to have. So if you have any questions about this, please let me know. Happy to help out, and thanks for listening. Take care.